What's good, fam? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're making crab cakes. Alright, family, it's finally here. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best vegan crab cakes. Alright, so I already have everything that I need on this table, and you can find the full recipe on my Patreon account. Alright, family, so now let's make the best crab cakes you ever had. Alright, family, so I have two main ingredients that I'm gonna mix together, and then I'm gonna add in all of the seasoning and other things that's gonna be added to this crab recipe. If you are receiving any value from my recipe videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, family, for this recipe you have to put an egg substitute. Again, this recipe is gonna be located in the description below on my Patreon account. Alright, family, after mixing every single thing together, you should be able to make a ball just like this, family. Now, put it away and marinate for 4 to 8 hours. Alright, family, so now we're gonna mold our crab cakes into crab cakes. Alright, so we're gonna grab about 2 tablespoons of our crab cakes and we're gonna roll it into a ball, and with the palm of our hands we're gonna squeeze it down and start to mold it into a crab cake. Your crab cakes should look just like this, family. Now let's just put them down and make as much as you would like. Alright, family, now let's pan fry our delicious crab cake. For this recipe, I'm going to be using my cast iron, and I'm using some grapeseed oil on medium heat. Alright, family? To make sure your crab cakes are nice and cooked, we're going to base it in the pan. Alright, family, we're going to cook our crab cakes for 5 to 8 minutes on both sides until it's golden brown. Alright, family, the crab cakes are finally ready. Now, let's take them out. Alright, family, let's take a look inside of our crab cakes.
Ooh la la.
It's finally ready, family. I made crab cakes. Check it out. Now, let's go for the bite. I'll see you next week. Peace.